Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make chili rellenos. First, you'll need to roast your poblano peppers. Place them directly over an open flame or under a broiler until the skins are completely blistered and charred. Immediately transfer the hot peppers to a bowl, cover it tightly, and let them steam for about 15 minutes. This step makes peeling much easier. Once cooled, gently peel off the skins, remove the seeds, and make a small slit down one side for stuffing. Now that your chilies are ready, it's time for the delicious filling. Gently stuff each poblano pepper with your favorite cheese. Oaxaca or Monterey Jack work wonderfully. Next, prepare your batter. Separate egg whites and beat them until stiff peaks form, then gently fold in a small amount of flour. Carefully dip each cheese-stuffed pepper into this light and airy egg batter, ensuring it's fully coated for that classic chili relleno texture. With your peppers stuffed and battered, it's time to fry them to golden perfection. Heat about 2 inches of vegetable oil in a deep pan to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully place each battered pepper into the hot oil, frying for 3 to 4 minutes per side, or until they achieve a beautiful golden brown color. Once cooked, transfer them to a wire rack or paper towels to drain any excess oil. This ensures a crispy, not greasy, finish. Your homemade chili rellenos are now ready to be enjoyed. Serve them immediately, perhaps with a warm, savory tomato sauce poured over the top. A sprinkle of fresh cilantro or some crumbled cottage cheese makes for a perfect garnish. These are truly a labor of love, but the incredible flavor is absolutely worth it. For more kitchen tips and delicious recipes, subscribe to our channel. Also, be sure to check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals to help keep your kitchen spotless.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.